Hey everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy where we make Salesforce simple, practical, and dare I say, fun to learn. In today's session, we're focusing on something every Salesforce admin should know how to do: export data from Salesforce. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe the two main methods for exporting data: export data manually using the data export service, and even set up automatic exports on a schedule. Think of it as giving your org a safety net, a way to back up data or move it into another system when needed. Let's start with the big picture. Salesforce allows you to export your data either on demand or on a regular schedule, and the output is a set of CSV files neatly packaged in a zip file. These files can serve as backups or as a way to move information into another system. There are two main tools for this: the data export service. This one lives inside Salesforce. You access it through setup, and you can either run a manual export or schedule recurring exports. Depending on your edition, you'll see different frequency options. For example, Enterprise, Performance, and Unlimited editions allow weekly exports. In Professional and Developer editions, you can only generate backups every 29 days or schedule them monthly. The data loader, this is a separate client application that you install. It's more technical, but more flexible too. You can run exports through the interface or the command line, and the command line option is great for automation or integrating with external systems via API. So, to sum up, if you need a quick, straightforward export for backup purposes, use the data export service. If you need automation, API, level integration, or heavy-duty exporting, data loader is the way to go. Now let's see how the data export service works in action. At Get Cloudy, a consulting firm, the financial analyst Charnice is concerned about the risks of data loss. She chats with their Salesforce admin, Chinua, who explains that he schedules weekly backups with the data export service. It's a smart move. Regular backups give the company peace of mind and a recovery option if something unexpected happens. Here's how you do the same. Go to Setup, type Data Export in the quick find box and choose Data Export. From here, you'll either click Export Now or Schedule Export. Export Now runs immediately, but only if enough time has passed since your last export. Schedule Export lets you set up automatic exports. Great if you don't want to think about it every month. Next, choose your file encoding. Decide whether you want to include extras like images, documents, and attachments. If you want line breaks converted to spaces, useful for integrations, tick the Replace Carriage, Returns with Spaces option. If you're scheduling, set the frequency, start and end dates, and time of day. Under Exported Data, select which data to include. If you're unsure, it's safest to select Include All Data. Click Start Export or Save. Salesforce will prepare a zip archive of CSV files. Once ready, you'll get an email with a download link. Just remember, the zip file will only be available for 48 hours, so don't wait too long. Now let's test your knowledge with the quiz. I'll read the questions, the options, and then walk through the correct answer. Question 1. The data export service, A, can be operated through a command line. B, must be installed separately. C, must be installed by an actual wizard. D, is accessible through the setup menu. The correct answer is D. It's accessible through the setup menu. The other options either describe data loader or, like option C, are just a bit of Salesforce humor. Question 2. To export data manually using the data export service. A, from setup, open data export and then select Export Now. B, install the data loader client application. C, grow a long beard and find a magical staff. D, open the data loader bin file in a command prompt and run the extract all command. The right choice here is A. From setup, open data export and select Export Now. This is the manual option we walked through earlier. Options B and D are about data loader, and option C, well, Gandalf won't help with Salesforce exports. Question 3. Data export schedule. Export option can be scheduled at the following intervals: A, daily. B, every other day. C, on Thursdays and twice on Tuesdays. D, yearly E, monthly. The correct answer is E, monthly. The schedule export option lets you automate backups, but only on a monthly basis. Weekly exports are available, but only in specific editions, and those are triggered manually or through the Export Now option. So, what have we learned? Salesforce provides two solid ways to export your data: the in-browser data export service for easy scheduled backups, and the data loader for more advanced, automated, or large-scale exporting. Setting up regular exports helps protect your organization from data loss and gives you flexibility for integrations or migrations. And that's a wrap on exporting data from Salesforce. I hope you found this breakdown clear and practical. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment with your questions or experiences, and don't forget to subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more Salesforce tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.